Are you at least making $200 a day trading the Forex market, stocks or cryptos? That is 20 pips trading a standard lot in the Forex market. Hi, my name is Gary Fichard, known to many as the FxBigDog. I'm a 25-year veteran professional trader that has managed millions of dollars and still managing money today. I want to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I'm giving free education on how to trade the Forex market like the pros. For the last 25 years, I have learned the secret weapons that you need to be successful in trading. And the best part is, anyone can do it. No matter what level of experience you have, I have studied Fibonacci, Elliott wave, pattern formation, Japanese candlestick patterns. I've traded almost every strategy you can think of and narrowed it down to the ones that work best. Get free investment education on Forex, stocks and cryptos, but also benefit from some of the live market trading as we get deep into the trenches and find profits. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as I post weekly videos on what to invest in and the top 3 secret weapons that has made me successful in trading. My goal is to educate as many traders as possible so they can make just 20 pips a day. So, if you're a part-time, full-time trader, or even someone that just got started, my channel is for you. Click on the link on this page to subscribe to the channel today. I am the FxBigDog, and I will see you in my next video.